Shana was not just a dog, but a loyal friend who always protected her owners. Shana, Norman, and Eve often took walks in the forest, enjoying peaceful moments together. Suddenly, the sky turned dark, and strong winds began to blow through the forest, signaling an impending snowstorm. The snowstorm hit without warning, covering the entire village in a thick blanket of snow. Norman and Eve were trapped in the snow, unable to move and facing imminent danger. Shana realized her owners were not in the house. She started running around, sniffing the snow, sensing the urgent situation. With determination and loyalty, Shana began sniffing and digging through the snow to find Norman and Eve. Despite being exhausted, Shana did not give up, continuing to dig deeper into the snow, inching closer to her owners. Finally, Shana found Norman and Eve. They were overjoyed to see their brave dog. With strength and determination, Shana pulled Norman and Eve through the snow tunnel, bringing them back to safety. Norman and Eve were reunited with Shana. They hugged their brave dog with deep gratitude, tears of happiness and emotions streaming down their faces. Norman and Eve shared Shana's heroic rescue story with neighbors and friends, who were all moved and praised Shana's bravery. To commemorate this unforgettable event, Norman and Eve hung a picture of Shana in their home, reminding them of her loyalty and courage. Norman and Eve reflected on the joyful moments they had shared with Shana, realizing that her presence brought them so much joy and happiness. Shana was not only a protector, but also a companion in everyday activities for Norman and Eve. Shana always lay beside Norman and Eve, creating a warm and peaceful bond within the family. Shana's story spread throughout the community, and neighbors and friends visited to express their admiration for the heroic dog. The story of Shana, the heroic dog, became a testament to loyalty and love. Shana will always be the devoted guardian of the family. Subscribe to see more about brave dogs around the world.